Welcome back to my channel, folks, and today we're going to be starting a strip down and restoration of this Logan lathe. I'm not going to be able to show you every bit of the work that I do, but I am going to start a series on this. This is the oldest known Logan 6560 to currently exist. That is according to Logan Engineering. They have a spreadsheet of all the known Logan machines that are out there and who is the current owner of them, and I was informed that I am the owner of the oldest one known to exist. So I really want to keep this baby alive and put it back into service. This lathe has a ton of problems. As you can see, today I took off the apron and the carriage all apart, the cross feed, and look at the sludge buildup in this thing. The previous owner should be ashamed really at how they abused this lathe. And I mean, I'm not saying that as a personal insult, but it just was too bad that it was allowed to be beaten up so badly. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put new spindle bearings in it because they don't operate very smoothly. And if I'm gonna take it apart this far and have the spindle out, I might as well just go through everything. So I hope you guys will like and enjoy the videos as I come along doing this. I'll do some of them in time lapse. Like today I'm gonna start scraping the bed, all the casting down, and I'm gonna take steel wool and just start trying to clean up the ways on this machine. You can see that there's some significant wear that's been on this old thing, but I think it's savable. I think it can be brought back to life, and I hope to do this machine a big favor by bringing her back. And hopefully she'll return the favor by producing some really good parts for me in the future. I did this Atlas lathe earlier this year, which came out very beautifully. I got a couple videos on doing the spindle bearings on this machine. And I didn't restore it to like a museum condition, but I fixed it up and cleaned it up enough that it now functions flawlessly and it looks pretty good in my shop. So that's what I'm gonna do with the Logan too. I don't want it to be a museum piece. I want this thing to be used. I know it wants to be used. It was made to make chips, and I'm gonna have it make chips again. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy these videos.